Good evening. I am Sukhani and today is August 3, Monday 2020. Today is also the auspicious occasion of Raksha Bandhan and my greetings to all of you on this occasion. We will talk about Nifty trading for intraday traders, and first we will talk about how the Nifty could have been traded today and of course what our plans are for tomorrow. For today, I had suggested yesterday evening that we will have an open mind, which means I said the market is a little uncertain. So we are willing to take a long trade and we are also willing to take a short trade. That depends on how the market opens and starts behaving after the open. As it happened, the important part of this plan is that if we are willing to do something and the market goes in that direction, then it becomes easier to take the trade. Today, since we were willing to take a short trade as well as a long trade, all we wanted was the market to give us a signal on where it is going. The market opened weak, but that doesn't mean anything. It could have gone up. But after opening weak, it started breaking the lows of the first 15 minutes. That's an opening range breakdown. That told us that the market is willing to go down. And because we were in any case mentally ready, our plan was that if the market is showing us weakness, we will take a short trade. So we were willing to take a short trade, and actually it was a trend day and the market slid throughout the day. It consolidated, then fell, consolidated, then fell, but eventually it did fall. The advantage of having a plan prior to the market open is if the market goes in that direction, we are with it. Now it doesn't mean that we have to go short. We could have a plan which said today we will go long, otherwise we will not do anything. And if the market started falling, we would not do anything. That's good enough. It just so happened that for today, Monday, we had a plan that we can take any of the two trades, long or short. Now tomorrow, the Nifty has fallen 400 points in 2 days and it has now reached a support level which is a zone really between 10,800 and 10,900. It's almost there. We actually went below inside that zone in sometime late afternoon. I would think that if the Nifty wants to have a pause, this is the best place where it can consolidate. After this consolidation, it is difficult to say whether it will go up again or come down. We'll find out. But if it consolidates, then the market may be willing to go higher, at least for an intraday trader. So for tomorrow, I am only looking to take a long trade. That trade can work out in many different ways. First, an opening range breakout, high of the first 15 minutes, we will go long. If the markets open weak tomorrow, we will see if there is support at some point during the day, probably before 12 p.m. If that support emerges and holds, we will go long again. If the market decides to go down throughout the day, as of now, I am not looking to take a short position. Then we'll see tomorrow morning. There is a very minor chance that I may change my view, but currently I am only looking to go long. Now see, what happens is that overnight we have the US markets. In the morning we have to see how Asia opens up, how the SGX reacts. So there are a number of news events, context events that can make a plan change. That is possible. So eventually that plan will be finalized only when the market opens. But this is the broad outline of tomorrow's plan so far. I am doing these videos in Hindi and English both. The easiest way to distinguish between them is to put a name. If the name is in English, it means the video is in English. If the name of the video is in Hindi, it means the video is in Hindi. I hope I can communicate with you every day on some topic or the other. Enjoy yourself. Have a lot of fun. Trading is very enjoyable. Goodbye.